Oh yeah, black sun in the hizzle, all for shizzle dizzle. We got an excellent show here today. What's going on, twin? What's going on, Yesy? Yes. We got some interesting news today, and I'm trying to decide how do I want to structure this today. Do I mean we've heard about the J6 committee, twin? Um, I guess let me ask the question, twin, Yesy. Um, did Biden deny having any involvement with the J6? I'm sorry. Let me rewind that. Did Biden deny having any involvement with the Georgia case here in Georgia? Did he deny having any involvement with that? I guess let me start off by asking that question. Did Joe Biden deny having any involvement with the case here in Georgia? You know, the Fani Willis, the Fani Willis case. Did Joe Biden, the White House, the Biden administration, did they deny that? Yes or no? This is they denied it. What's going on, Josh? Oh, Deacon. So Deacon, they denied having any involvement with the case here in Georgia, correct? So they did deny that. Okay. So, Deacon, twin, Josh, I'm trying to decide, do I show the White House to be a lie or do I go forward with the more juicy stuff? You know what I'm saying? I'm going to present the information, but I want to set the tone. What order do I want to go in? Or do I want to go with, do y'all know who Jocelyn Wade is? Jocelyn Wade. Do I want to go with the Jocelyn Wade story first? Jocelyn Wade is the ex-wife of Nathan Wade, who is the current prosecutor, who Fani Willis decided to make the special prosecutor. Then I have another report here. So I got 3 articles. Good morning. Hey, what's going on, Underrated Darkness? Or do I go with Georgia prosecutor Nathan Wade held in contempt? Do I want to go with that? So we got Nathan Wade, who was held in contempt last year. Do I go with that first? See, I got 3 articles here, y'all. I got 3 articles. What should I go with first, man? I tell you what, guys. Let's start off light. Let's start with the obvious, which is brother. Let's start off with the obvious, you guys. So let me do a share screen. Let's do with this J6. So as y'all know, I'm going to start with this political article. The White House did deny. They denied having any involvement. Well, let's read the article here real quick. Let's read. This is by Political. Let's scroll down here. Let's see. So this is the J6 committee help guide early days of Georgia Trump probe. Wait a minute, Josh. Darkness. Deacon, wait a minute. Didn't the White House say that they were not involved in the Georgia case? Did they not say that? Did they? Oh, I got it. Maybe I'm crazy. Underrated's doing the live right now. Okay, we'll do. Okay. Cool. Let me drop some links, man, for the brothers. I'm sorry, I didn't even drop a link, man. I'm so damn okay. So we got here. It says J6 committee helped early guide days of Georgia Trump probe. Okay, so in the spring of 2022, the committee staff helped Fulton County prosecutors prepare for interviews with key witnesses. Oh, okay. So They helped Miss Fani here. This is Miss Fani Willis. The White House basically gave her orders. They basically called and gave her orders and said, you know what? In fact, I think Mr. Former House Speaker can explain it better than I can. But yeah, Fani Willis here was instructed. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis led prosecutors in Georgia case against Donald Trump and allies appear in court November 21st, 2023 in Atlanta. Let's scroll down here. Georgia prosecutors probing Donald Trump's efforts to subvert the 2020 election got an early boost in the spring of 2022. It came from another set of investigators who were ahead of them. The House January 6th Select Committee, that being Jack Smith, right? Or no, that being the committee, the J6 committee. Okay. Committee staff quietly met lawyers and agents working for Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis in mid-April 2022, just as she prepared to convene a special grand jury investigation in the previously unreported meeting. The J6 committee aides let the district attorney's team review, but not keep a limited set of evidence they had gathered. Over the next few months, committee staff also had a series of phone calls that Willis' team, they answered the prosecutor's questions and shared insight in matters like Trump's false electors gambit and his efforts to pressure Georgia Secretary of State Rassenberger. Both of those ploys ultimately featured prominently in a criminal charges that Willis brought against Trump and his allies last summer. Okay, so we're just the context between the committee. Willis' team also helped prosecutors prepare for interviews like key witnesses. The content of meeting calls was described by two former committee officials familiar with the outreach who were granted immunity to speak candidly about the context. The timing was corroborated by exhibits attached to new court filings and Willis' ongoing prosecuting of Trump's and 14 co-defendants for their efforts to overturn the 2020 election. The committee aided Willis' nascent probe even as it rebuffed the Justice Department request for material in a separate federal criminal probe of Trump's election subversion. At the time, one reason the committee was more inclined to cooperate with the Fulton County team than the federal prosecutor was that federal prosecutors might have been required to disclose the evidence in ongoing criminal cases related to the J6 attack on the Capitol. When the congressional Republicans recently pressed Willis to disclose her team's contacts with the J6 committee, she refused, calling their inquiry an affront to well-established principles and federalism and separation of powers. You cannot and will not provide access to any non-public information about this, she wrote to the House Judiciary Committee last month in the letter obtained by Politico. January 6th committee chairman Bernie Thompson had previously described staff efforts contact between his panel and the Fulton County prosecutor in early 2022, nearly 2 weeks before the panel's staff met with Willis' team. Thomas told reporters he wasn't aware of how extensive those contacts were. And on Wednesday, Thomas told Politico that he did not know about the in-person visits that spring. Interesting. Okay. Willis' office did not respond to the request for comment. A former J6 committee aide said that the statement as January 6th committee's final report transparently stated that the committee shared information, all of which is now public, with prosecutors conducting concurrent independent investigations. There you go. So we got investigators that are on this. The scope of committee's assistance that The district attorney is sure to be scrutinized as Willis prosecution moves forward. It shows that the panel work helped jumpstart a criminal case that would ultimately imperil Trump. The J6 committee formed by the Democratic-led House in 2021 spent 18 months investigating Trump's effort to divert the 2020 election, amusing hundreds of witness interviews that has since become crucial evidence in Trump's numerous criminal entanglement and disbanded at the end of 2020, releasing a lengthy report in public revealing the bulk of its evidence. It's not uncommon for a congressional committee to pass on evidence, potential crimes to prosecutors. In 2019, for instance, the House Intelligence Committee added a special request, special counsel report Mueller. Okay, so it's talking about other cases. We won't get into that. But what we will do, y'all, is get started on Fani Willis. So this is just abreast us on the whole White House connection, the political connection, Biden persecuting his political opponent using all means, that being Jack Smith, that being Fani Willis, that being the Engron, the guy up in New York. But let's get to the next article here. So the next article, now here's where it gets juicy, y'all. This is where it gets good. This is where it gets good. I just wanted to kind of give y'all, this is where it gets good. Let's do a share screen, presents, share screen, and let me do a report, boom. Okay, so this is a report. Georgia prosecutor Nathan Wade held in contempt of court last year. Why was he held in contempt of court? Nathan Wade, the Georgia prosecutor leading case against former President Donald Trump, was held in contempt of court last year for defying an order during his divorce. Is that so? Around the same time, Wade had been preparing to indict the former president for allegedly trying to overturn the 2020 election in the Peach States. A judge in Cobb County, Georgia, ruled he had willfully failed to turn over documents about his income. Wade's wife later said that the income included money he had made during his work on Trump's case. And so this is why, everybody, I got the title, Fani Willis Goes to Church. Now let's get in it. Now we're getting in it, y'all. Let's get to the nitty gritty. Okay. So around the same time, so Wade's wife, okay, so revelations about him being held in contempt of court come after the lawyer for one of the former president's co-defendants alleged in the court filing that Wade had an affair with Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. Let's keep it going. No evidence of an affair has been present as of yet, but Wade's wife has served Fani Willis with a subpoena requesting that she testify in the divorce case. As noted by Politico, even if the affair allegations yield nothing, the contempt of court evidence could spell troubling signs ahead for Nathan Wade. Even aside from salacious allegations, the contempt ruling against Wade in August 2023 shows that he was fighting his own deeply personal legal battle and getting admonished by a judge as he was helping run one of the most consequential criminal cases in American history, the indictment of Trump and numerous allies for their bid to subvert the state's 2020 election results. Wade is himself a divorce lawyer. The website for his Atlanta law firm touts decades of experience handling divorce cases. He has little experience running complex, high-profile criminal prosecutions, and Willis' decision to hire him as a special prosecutor in the Trump case has come under intense scrutiny in recent days. No report indicate that Wade received any fines or punishment after being held in contempt. And he allegedly did eventually turn over his income documents. In 2 years, he made over 700. Wait. No, he made more than that. No, he made more than that. Oh, wait. From the Fulton County District Attorney's Office from his work in Trump's case. Okay. But let's keep it moving. Randall Kessler, an Atlanta divorce lawyer who formerly chaired the American Bar Association's family law section, told Politico that willful contempt revelation will not be beneficial to Wade's case. This is bizarre. The judge basically said, "Shame on you," said Kessler. "It is rare that it gets to this level," he added. Yaniv held a professional, a Georgia State College law concurred. To actually be found in willful contempt is not a good position, he held. It's not a place where you want to be with the judge. Paul Roland Bias, director, award-winning film. Okay, so that's it for that article. So this man is willfully in contempt in his own case here. Oh, what's going on? Yes, what's going on? What's going on, Darkness? What's going on, man?
Brother, peace to you and the chat and your families, man. Good morning.
Yes. Happy MLK Day to you, brother. So, man, this Wade in intentful contempt, that's not good.
Not good at all.
Man, that's not good. That's not good.
I see Fani still dipping in the funds.
Oh, is she? Yeah. I would say so.
Good old Fani.
And have you ever heard of Jocelyn Wade?
Maybe.
Okay, so Jocelyn Wade is Nathan Wade's ex-wife.
Oh, I know Nathan Wade.
Mm-hmm. And I got the article right here. Darkness. Let's see what this says. It says Nathan Wade's wife subpoenas Georgia DA Fani Willis in contentious divorce.
Ooh.
Look at this right here in contentious divorce. Let's see. And this is why Fani had to go to goddamn church the other day. She said, she never denied the affair, which is interesting. Did you see her little speech? She went to church and she was talking about how, Trump is racist and Martin Taylor Greene, they're racist.
Yeah. You talk about Trump and racist, but you was playing in between the sheets, but it's not your sheets. So you shouldn't say nothing about Trump. You don't have the right to say that because you was in somebody else's sheets.
You don't say.
But you want to go to church to repent. Yeah, you want to go to church to repent for that you already done. You know you done that evil thing, but you want to go to repent. Oh, I forgot that. The church is not good for our community anyway. So I got it. Yeah.
Well, she went to the, and it's funny because it's Martin Luther King Day. She went to AME church. That's not her normal church, or is that her normal church? But she went to the AME. That's the Martin Luther King church. That's where all
right.
Yeah, that's where all the goddamn celebrities go when they want to make it. Jesse Jackson's, Al Sharpton. So that's where everybody. Barack Obama. That's when they want to make a statement. They want to make a grand statement. And in her grand statement, she did not mention one. She did not deny. She did not deny. In fact, this is what she said. She didn't deny the allegations at all. In fact, this is what she said. Let me get her exact quote. I'll get her exact quote, what she said in the church. And oh, yeah, she avoided the goddamn paparazzi. She's like, no paparazzi, no paparazzi, no paparazzi. So this is what she said. This is what she said. Let me get an exact quote, what she said in the church. Let's see. Patricia Dickinson. Let's see. Boom. Let's get her exact quote here. Let me pull it up. Let me pull it up. Community. So this is her exact quote. This is her exact quote. Let's see. FA diversity. Let's go down to Fani. Get her exact quote. Ah, shit. This is her exact quote, Darkness. Let's see. Hey, this is her exact quote. Here it is. Wait. What is her exact quote? Damn, I had her damn quote. Shit. Give me 1 second here. Shit, where is that damn quote? We're feeling where's good. Oh, here it is. Yeah. Wait. Fani Willis accused of hiring boyfriend named the way to prosecute. Okay. Damn, where is that damn quote? Now all of a sudden I can't find the quote. I tell you what, let me pull it up on my phone because it's right here. I thought I had the goddamn quote, but she was somewhat dancing around the topic. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. But why is it not coming up on my damn computer? Why is it not coming up on my computer here? Oh, shit. It's not coming up. 16 hours. This is 16 hours ago. 5 days, so it's recent. 4 days. I might have passed it. Uh-oh. Here we go. All right, bear with me, y'all. It's coming up. I think I passed it. 16 hours. I said this was 16 hours ago. All right, y'all. I'm gonna just call. Oh, wait. Is this it? Is this it? Is this it? Is this it? Yep, this is it. Boom. For some reason, I can't. Fuck. I can't fucking pull it up on the computer. This is weird. Okay, so Fani Willis. This is a quote. She said, "I can't." Okay. She says, "You cannot expect Black women to be perfect. We need to be allowed to stumble. We need grace. We are all sinners." That is her exact quote in the church. That is her exact quote in the church, dear brother. That, oh shit, we dropped off. Okay. That was her exact quote. That was her exact quote. Her exact quote was, "You cannot expect Black women to be perfect. We need to be allowed to stumble. We need grace. We are all sinners." Why is she putting all Black women into this? Like, cut the shit out. And we're not talking about.
No, but see, it goes again that there are some people, you know, especially our people. Now we do a gender what's that word?
Gender bias.
Not judging by scrutiny now.
Right.
You know you did something wrong. I'm gonna keep it spiritual.
How's she gonna put this on all black women?
Right? Why are you gonna put it on black women? That also, oh yeah, we have the, so you have the right to did something. I'm talking about spiritual. I'm talking about spiritual. And people, what people say, you did so spiritual in God's eye that you know that is wrong. Now I'm gonna take it back to culture now. Our culture. You know when a man and women forms a seed that create babies coming to their children, that makes a family that keeps keep our culture connected. But you went and plant soul to another man that is evenly yoked. Now I'm talking about spiritual now. Now go back to culture now, that you know that he was married, and I'm not taking him out either.
Right. Oh yeah, we're gonna get on him.
But you went to, again, I'm going back spiritual then. Now you went to the house of God, and you gonna say some mess like that us as black men, or even black, I said black men, we supposed to come to our rescue, but you violate another person household, that he let it happen. Making sense to me? Am I right? If I'm wrong, I can stand be corrected.
Yep, it says, oh, it's AP thing, man. I'm sorry, y'all. This AP. So I got that quote from AP News. That was AP News, but apparently they got a paywall, so they won't let me goddamn, show y'all the quote she made. But yeah, that's why she went to church, and she never did deny the allegations of her going on vacation, her having the affair. But that's okay. That's okay, because you know what we gonna do. Miss Jocelyn here, boom. This lady on the left is subpoenaing Miss Fani Willis here on the right, and Mr. Jocelyn there, who committed adultery, allegedly. Now, Jocelyn, let's see what she says. She says, what does this say? This is by what does this say in the report? Jocelyn is an estranged. Jocelyn Wade is the estranged wife of Nathan Wade. Let me. Can y'all see this article? Okay. Nathan Wade, the attorney who was appointed by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis as a special prosecutor in a criminal case against former President Donald Trump and his associate Ashley Merchant, the attorney for one of those associates, Michael Roman, is now accusing Willis and Wade of engaging in a romantic relationship while Wade was married. That filing can be read here. Here's the filing right here. Boom. Let me share this. This is the filing. Y'all can see this. Do I need to blow this up? Do I need to blow this thing up here? Let me blow up just a little bit. It says, this is it right here, the state of Georgia versus Michael Roman. And the defendant, Michael Roman, motion to dismiss grand jury indictment as fatally defective and motion to disqualify the district attorney, her office, and the special prosecutor from further prosecuting this matter. Because we got an ethics violation here, ladies and gentlemen. We got an ethics violation here. Fani Willis and Mr. Nathan Wade has broke the consecration. Again, this is why Fani Willis had to go to church, because she broke the consecration. She allowed this man, who she knew was married, and decided to violate that vow as a woman. Now, she talk about black women, right? She's violated another black woman here. Would you agree to that, Darkness?
Absolutely.
Okay. Let's keep this thing moving. So the court filed accused Willis of orchestrating the hiring of Wade as a special prosecutor. Filing accuses Wade. Okay, so we back to this. Accuses Wade of taking Willis on trips using some of hundreds of thousands of dollars he received from the county for the Trump prosecution. The claim is that this is unethical and possibly a crime. Do you hear that?
Stability. It's a
Right?
crime.
It is a crime. It is a crime. The Washington Post reported on January 9th that Willis was subpoenaed that day by Wade's estranged wife, Jocelyn Mayfield Wade, in the divorce case. Those records are sealed. Wait a minute. Those records are sealed. What are we trying to hide here? What are we hiding here? Could it implement Fani Willis and Mr. Wade as having a sexual relations? But she's
like
been,
to me.
Yeah, that's right. Willis has not responded to accusations. When she went to church, she did not respond to the accusations, other than to say a spokeswoman that she will respond through appropriate court filings. Well, that goddamn subpoena is appropriate court filing when you say their darkness.
Yeah.
According to the Atlanta Journal-Constitution, Wade has not spoken publicly about the accusation. So he has not denied these accusations. According to him.
In legal sense, his lawyer told him to be quiet.
Right. According to the Hill, Trump said on January 9th, you have a very big event yesterday, as you saw in Georgia, where the district attorney is totally compromised. Would you say that the district attorney here in Georgia is compromised there, Mr. Darkness?
Yeah.
This case has to be dropped. Everybody's agreeing this case is compromised. It is a compromised case. Ethical violations. This thing is serious, y'all. This thing is serious. Here's Jocelyn. Jocelyn Wade wants Fani Willis to testify in her divorce case, which has grown contentious, reports say. This is Jocelyn right here. Y'all see Jocelyn right here.
It is, Dick. It's a wrap.
It is Jocelyn right here. You know, hell hath no fury like a woman scorned. But Fani Willis want to get up and talk about black women. Well, here's a black woman right here. Represent this black woman, Fani Willis. You want to pull the black card. You want to pull the woman card. Well, here's a black woman right here. That subpoena that you're trying to avoid here. Let's keep it moving. According to the Washington Post, Willis was issued a subpoena. I just said that. Didn't I just say that? On January 9th in the divorce case to testify in the proceedings. The Post reported that the proceedings have turned contentious. The Post reviewed the affidavit of service reporting that it was left with Willis executives assistant hours before Roman's filing appeared on the docket. It is unknown that Willis will be asked or why she was deemed a potential witness. Damn, this is getting good. The Wall Street Journal also reported on the process serving Willis as subpoena, reporting that the divorce case is in Cobb County. This is where Wade used to reside. Nathan Wade filed for divorce from Jocelyn Mayfield in 2021. Oh, you don't say. You don't say. He filed for divorce. You don't say. According to the Post, Wade filed for divorce from his wife, Jocelyn Wade, in November 2021, and the documents were sealed. And the documents were sealed in February 2022. However, Ashley Merchant, the attorney for Roman, told the Post that she had copied some records in the divorce case that she claimed included evidence that Wade and Willis had an ongoing personal relationship that predated his hiring. Well, god damn, that's why they want to seal the record, because it proves that Wade and Willis had relations. And this is why Fani got on the pulpit talking about racism. They're racist. They're racist. I'm a black woman. They're racist. Yeah, nice try, Fani Willis. Nice try.
Yeah, nice, good try. You know, You know, Fanny, you a piece of work. You
Yes.
scream racism, and number one, you violated a. Let me ask you: is Fanny married?
I think she's divorced, but she knew that Wade was married.
Right, she know. Right. Thank you. She know Wade was married, and her loins went to that somebody that's already married, right?
Right.
So that's premeditated, right?
Yeah, that's right.
So that means she should never go to that church. She never come to church at all.
Well, she wanted to
Because
repent.
in church, you're supposed to repent.
Right. Yeah. Well, she did. She said, and I quote, she said, this is her, I guess this is her confession. She said, this is what she said. She said, again, I quote, oh man, I lost the damn page again. She said, let's go to Rosalind's page here, or Patricia's. She said, this is what she said. She said, you can't expect black women to be perfect. This is what she said.
You cannot play that card. Not you. She cannot play that card. Where is you talking? Now, so do you know what I mean? You putting yourself in a whole fan because there's going to be some black women say, why are you putting us in that?
Right.
That's what you did.
Yeah, that's what you did. Don't put all black women in that. Don't put all black women in that. No, don't do that.
We love our black man. We married to a black man.
Right.
That's on you. Cause see, you want your Lord. I'm because
right. She the home wrecker here. You the home wrecker, Miss Fanny. Talking about
Fanny, you want your loins to be stroked. You want your loins to be stroked.
Well, according to what she said in AP, she said we need to be allowed to stumble. Meaning she need to be allowed to do her loins, get her cheeks clapped. We need to allow this, is what she's saying. As a black woman, she's saying that black women should be allowed to be hoes, is what she's saying. Black women should be allowed to break up marriages, is what she's saying. This is what Fani Willis is saying. She said, you cannot expect black women to be perfect. We need to be allowed. We need to be allowed to stumble. Stumbling means, stumble on the D. They need to stumble on the D, is what she's saying. She needs a pass.
Mm-hmm.
Even if it's breaking up another marriage, even if it makes puts another black woman, break up that black woman's home. She want to play the I'm not perfect card. So she's not on playing I'm the black woman card, a black person card, I'm a woman card, and but I need to be in Jesus' grace. She playing all these cards. Sounds like you're guilty there. Why did we seal the divorce filings? But that's okay, because Miss Jocelyn here, boom. Let's get back to Miss Jocelyn. I had everything before it was sealed, Merchant told the Post. Oh, I had everything before it was sealed, Merchant told the Post. Oh, okay. So there's no question about whether or not I can publish that stuff, because now it's under seal. So out of the abundance of cautions, I reference it, she told the Post, adding that she also has filed a motion to unseal the records. So she has filed for a motion to unseal them records. So we go on to see, we want a goddamn stamp of approval, but we've already got Fani Willis going before the AME church, avoiding and dancing and avoiding, say, we need to be allowed to stumble. Hallelujah. Thank you. Jesus. She did one of those numbers. So she's admitting guilt, but unsealing will definitely seal the fate in this whole thing, because adultery was committed, and that is against the law. That is against the law. That is more detrimental and damning than anything they got charged against Trump. Would you agree with that? Would you agree with that, Darkness?
Yep.
Yes. An article in the Marietta Denver Journal says that Wade's estranged wife name is Jocelyn Wade, and they have 2 children together. So she's a mom. Okay. Wade ran unsuccessfully for judge in Georgia. His campaign website, which was accessed through the Wayback Machine, contains his biography information. Okay, so he tried to run for judge unsuccessfully. A former prosecutor and a seasoned attorney, Nathan J. Wade, is prepared to serve as your Cobb County district. Okay, so he ran for judge, and he failed, of course. He currently serves. You can forget about any trying to be a judge, Mr. Wade. Cheating on your wife there. Oh, you can forget about that. It's a wrap for you, Mr. Wade. It's a wrap. You have violated ethics. You're making the attorneys look bad. You're making judges look bad. It's over for you, Wade, and it's over for you, Fani, because you're involved in this shit. It takes 2 to tango. It takes 2 to tango. Let's see. It continues. A long-time resident of Cobb County, Nathan has been married to his wife, Jocelyn, for 19 years. That's a long time. And have 2 children who were then 14 and 12. Nathan spends his spare times as a head basketball coach at the Cobb County Athletic Club, and being the #1 fan of his children, as his daughter competes as a high school level gymnast, and his son competes as a travel academy soccer player. Okay. #3, Jocelyn Wade works as a wine consultant. So that's Jocelyn to the left. And Black woman, I might add. According to the online posting, Jocelyn Wade has worked as a consultant for a wine club. This wine is amazing. I can't say enough about its charm. If you are looking for a low-calorie, gluten-free, low-sulfite, and no added sugar wine, then please check out my Instagram page, Pure Vines Fresh Wines, and click the link to my bio. Okay. So that's her profession. On Facebook, Jocelyn Wade posted pictures of her 2 kids. However, she did not have any photos of Nathan Wade on the page. She has now deleted the Facebook page. Oh. Public records give her address as a home in Marietta, Georgia, that is assetted at $765,000. According to online real estate listings, Heavy is not linking those postings to preserve her privacy. Respect. Jocelyn Wade is also lists a wine venture on her Instagram private. Okay, so the court filings accused Nathan Wade of, I think we lost Darkness here. Oh, no, he's still there. Okay, so the court filing accuses Nathan Wade of taking DA Fani Willis on Caribbean cruises. So she hired, Miss Jocelyn has hired investigators. So they got this, and this is the accusation that is that Willis chose Wade as a special prosecutor without following proper procedure, and then financially benefiting because he paid for the trips with her after receiving county funds, y'all. The court documents, which include Wade's invoices, also say he met with the Biden White House twice while special prosecutor. The district attorney chose to appoint her romantic partner, who at all times relevant to the prosecution has been a married man. The filing alleges. The filing asked the judge to disqualify Willis, Wade, and their respective offices and firms from any further involvement in the prosecution of this matter. Concrete proof of the romantic relationship is not presented in the filings. The filings accuses Wade, a private lawyer, of being unqualified to spearhead the prosecution. Okay. Right, because of the involvement with Fani Willis smacking the Fanny. The filing alleges that since being appointed a special prosecutor, the special prosecutor has been paid an estimated amount of $1 million in legal fees. However, the New York Post reported that Wade received nearly $654,000 in legal fees. The filing, which contains spelling errors, accuses Willis and Wade of having traveled personally together to such places as Napa Valley. So they got records of that. Florida, they got records of that. And the Caribbean cruise, and the special prosecutor has purchased tickets for both of them to travel on both Norwegian and Royal Cruise lines. We got all the records. That's why Fani Willis had to go to church, y'all. That's why she had to go to church. Traveling together to such places as Washington, D.C. and New York City might make sense with work purposes in light of the pending litigation, but what work purposes could only be served by travel to the traditional vacation destinations. According to the filings, the special prosecutor is seeking a divorce in Cobb County and sought successfully to seal those records, hiding them from public view. Of course, the filing states that it is not entirely clear when the relationship began, but it began while Wade was married. That's the point. It started while he was married. It started while he was married. Therefore, he violated the law. And that's why Miss Fani Willis had to go before the Lord and say, oh, I should be allowed to stumble. Filing state that it is not clearly where the relationship began, but on November 2nd, 2021, a day after the first contact with Willis commenced, Wade filed for divorce in Cobb County Superior Courts. The file alleges that the district attorney and the special prosecutor have been seen in private together in and about the Atlanta area and believed to have cohabitated in some form or fashion at a location owned by neither of them. Oh, okay. Hotel, motel, Holiday Inn. Jocelyn, Jocelyn has rude. Okay, so when you want to comment on this thing here.
I never thought when you're struggling with something that you I never thought that violation is a struggle.
Oh yeah. AMD, what's going on, man? We got MD on the road, so we got to be patient with him. He's in the truck. Yeah, he's in the truck. So yeah, man. So yeah, we got improprieties. What they say on Cheaters, we got improprieties. What's going on, MD? MD, your mic. We lost him. Okay, so yeah, we lost MD. I'm sure MD is going to come back. He's going to join us. I'm sure MD is going to come back and join us. But yeah, improprieties.
That's
okay. We got MD back. What's going on, MD?
I'm back.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so yeah, I was just checking in, man, trying to see what the latest update was. To my understanding, she had a press conference yesterday. Am I correct on that?
No, she had a church conference.
Okay, because from what I saw, she made some statements about the whole situation and what's going on. I don't know where she was at.
She was at church. She was at the AME church, and by the way, she avoided the press. She spoke in the church. And when she left the church, the press was outside. She hightailed it up out of there. But she spoke in front of the church, and she said, and I quote, this is what she said. This is by the AP report. She said, give me 1 second, MD. I'm gonna give you her exact.
No, you ain't gotta reiterate. It's cool. It's cool.
Okay.
I just knew she made
should be
some type
allowed
of
to
statement.
stumble. She should be allowed as a black woman to stumble. She should be allowed to stumble.
Hey, everybody got their needs, I guess. But listen, this is why I came up.
Okay.
So it's a very famous show that comes on every Sunday morning here in Atlanta on Fox 5. Everybody who follow politics know this show. It's called The Georgia Game.
Yes.
So Phil Kent, which has been on there since forever, they had a heated debate about this topic yesterday morning.
Yes.
Phil Kent, who used to be head of the Georgia Bar Association, this is what he said, and a Republican, by the way. This is what he said, and I tend to follow his sentiment on what he said about it. He said that from an ethical standpoint, yes, this ain't no good look.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And the main focal point is in regards to conflict of interest. Now he said, based on the scope of the trial in itself, the scope of the case, in a lot of these situations, is actually the DA that's supposed to take charge in terms of what is deemed conflict of interest, vis-a-vis, et cetera, et cetera. So it would actually be up to Fani Willis to take charge and make the necessary steps to alleviate the conflict of interest in the case. He said the judge in particular is not necessarily in charge of that. He said what the issue is what the defense is allowed to do based off of it. If the defense can prove from an ethics standpoint, now this is what Phil Kent said. Come on, dude, what you doing? This is what Phil Kent said. He said if at any point in time, even if they start the case, hypothetically, if at any point in time that the defense can prove from an ethics standpoint that I guess you would say special treatment, blah, 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 this and that was created for the prosecution and the necessary steps in the DA's office wasn't to correct the conflict of interest, the defense can motion for dismissal of the case based on he had an exact like legal term for it. I forgot what it was.
Okay. So
he said that it's actually up to Fani Willis, and he predicted that Fani Willis will ultimately take him off the case and get somebody else.
Okay.
Then he said, now from a criminality aspect, even if Fani Willis take him off the case, if the defense can prove from the initial standpoint of him being special prosecutor that they can follow the monetary footprint of any money leading back to the Fulton County Treasury that wasn't applied to anybody's compensation, meaning anybody's payroll or whatever. If they can follow, he said he don't give a damn if it's $1.
Oh,
he said if they can follow $1 that lead from the relationship between Fani Willis and Wade directly back to the Fulton County Treasury and not have a split meaning payroll, then it's a wrap. That's what he said.
So then let me ask you this.
He said the defense should, he said real talk, the defense shouldn't even focus on the ethics because that's already clear cut. And also, like it's nothing you can really do as far as ethics because that's the DA's responsibility.
But would you say that that's why they're trying to unseal the divorce case? Because divorce cases, they go after the money, they go after the receipts, because when you're dealing with divorce, you're dealing with child support, you're dealing with alimony, you're dealing with all that, right? MD?
I mean that could be part of it, but the case, Wade's divorce case ain't over with. As a matter of fact, I saw they were talking about it on the Georgia Gang yesterday.
Right.
Fani Willis has been subpoenaed
Right. That's what I said.
That's so the divorce case ain't nothing sealed about nothing. It's going on right now.
Okay, so okay. So I was told, MD, and you correct me if I'm wrong, you can actually get more information in a divorce case than you can a criminal case when it comes to money, tracking money.
Well, that's all up to the ex-wife lawyer. Like, he gonna have to dig that stuff up, and I'm pretty sure he will.
Oh, they looking for the money because she wants compensation.
Well, she gonna get compensation.
But in order to do that, they got to track money. They got to track the monies. And Fani and Mr. Wade did not report all of the monies. The article I just read, he report all the money.
Well, and again, so like I said, when it comes to civil cases like divorces,
yes,
that's not up to no public entity to do that. You know, a lot of people, when they get divorced, they hire like a private investigator to dig up a lot of shit.
Why, right. The wife is saying, she hired a process investigator, and that's when they found that Fani and Wade were going on cruise ships. They went to Napa Valley. They got all the records. And they're saying
if they got it, you know, like, they're gonna have to follow the footprint.
Right. So you're saying all they got to do is tie it to the treasury and it's over with.
It's over with.
Okay, that's what we want.
Now this is based off of Phil Kent's opinion from yesterday, and I tend to agree with what he said. So that goes back to what we were talking about last week. Me necessarily, I'm not tripping on the ethics part.
I got
because that would be corrected either way.
But a lot of people are tripping on the ethics part.
Yeah. I mean, that's public opinion. I ain't got no problem with that.
No. You know that's a crime.
Well, it depends on how it's correlated to what the criminality is. Again,
no.
According to Phil Kent,
infidelity is illegal, sir.
So listen to what I said. Phil Kent used to be head of the Bar Association of Georgia.
Right. Okay.
What he said was, it's not up to the judge, it's not up to the defense to correct the ethics portion of what they're talking about. That's up to the DA's office. Only the DA can correct that. If they don't correct it, then it's a means of dismissal based on conflict of interest. If they don't correct it.
Okay. So as long as Fani Willis hires appoints a new one, then that would alleviate
that would correct itself.
Okay.
From an ethics standpoint, he said that's pretty much all you can do. According to what he said, I'm just going off of what he said. He said all she would simply have to do is take him off the case, and then he said, you know, they was talking about the experience. Remember, me and you was talking about that last week as far as experience. This dude was a personal injury attorney. Phil Kent said, when you appoint special counsel, you can appoint whoever you want, but it has to be in the lines of no, I guess you would say, no crossing the wires, so to speak.
Okay.
In terms of you'll have a situation like this involving conflict of interest. Conflict of interest, yes, you can go toward criminality based off conflict of interest if you can follow the money print.
Right.
In this particular situation.
Well, real quick, I just want to read you a Georgia law. Because now I know what you said, you know, ethics, the whole ethics is not a big deal to you, but according to Georgia Code Title 16, Crimes and Offenses, Chapter 6, Sexual Offenses, adultery falls under 16-6-19. It's an actual crime. So yeah.
Okay. So we're talking about adultery.
Yes.
How does that correlate to the case within itself? That's what I'm asking. Now, if we going strictly based on ethics of the trial, that's it.
Right.
How does that correlate to the trial in itself? Let me give you an example. Let's say Wade, they come out and say, oh, Wade's a damn drug addict. That's a clear ethics violation, correct?
Right.
And he can also be charged. Hell, let's say Wade get found with a pound of cocaine.
What I'm saying, but this whole sexual adultery not only involves Wade, because you could say, well, Fani can dismiss Wade. Well, she would fall into the adultery too. knowing that Wade was a married man.
Oh, so I'm glad you said that again.
Yes.
The way Phil Kent explained it, he said yes. Fani Willis is basically the head of the DA's office in Fulton County. Everybody agree with that. He said that don't necessarily mean that Fani Willis has to be involved in the case itself. She just has to be involved in the initial indictment, which she already done did. The indictment portion is over with.
Got you.
Like I said, it can be debated. I ain't saying it can't. But according to how he explained it, he said just based on ethics alone.
So I know you don't care about it. So yes or no? No,
I'm not saying I don't care about it.
No.
I'm saying,
okay, let me ask you a question. So Fani Willis, if they can prove it, committed a crime of adultery, that'd be yes or no?
You mean can they prove it or will they?
No, I'm asking you.
I'm saying yes, they can. Yeah,
okay,
of course.
So okay. As long as they can prove that she committed a crime. Okay. So that's not but she could still stay on the case and assign people.
No, she wouldn't be able to stay on the case. But that doesn't say that the case wouldn't still stand based on the department of the district attorney of Fulton County. That's how that. Now again, these ain't my words. I'm just telling you how he
how would that work? How would that work if she's the head? Would she have to step down in order for
that part? I don't know. According to what Phil Kent said she doesn't have to be involved in any way with this trial. She was just part of the initial indictment. I guess she will have to step down. I don't know.
Okay, so
I'm assuming.
I think it'd be in her best interest for her and Mr. Wade to step down because they were looking real bad right now. They're looking really bad right now. And people are upset.
I agree with that.
And not only are people upset, the lawyers are upset about this shit. And judges are upset about this shit because they take an oath, an ethics oath. And it's looking very bad right now. So yes, she would have to step down in order for just for the sake of it looks bad right now. It looks very bad right now. It looks horrible right now. It's atrocious right now.
Right. So my whole thing,
not care, but a lot of people care and they're disgusted by this shit.
Why do you keep saying I don't care? I never said that. I'm saying is
you said about the ethics. You said you don't care about the ethics. A lot of us do.
Well, I'm saying in terms of the outlook of the case. That's all I was saying.
Yeah, in terms of outlook of the case.
Now, if we talk about aesthetics. If we talk about aesthetics,
until she steps down, it looks bad. Would you agree with that? Until she stepped down, it looks bad. Would you agree with that?
Aesthetically, hell yeah, it looked bad. Aesthetically.
That's all I was getting to, sir. That's all.
So what's of importance?
But my report is that you're saying that the case will look better once Fani and Wade step down. It will look better. Right now, it's not looking good.
I mean, like I said, I understand the aesthetics of it. I agree 100% with the aesthetics. Okay. But all I'm saying is from the outlook of the trial itself, you have to go line by line, paragraph by paragraph.
People are not going to be able to do that until they step down, sir, is what I'm trying to tell you.
Hey, man. Hey, like I said, not my words.
Right, you're laughing, right? And I'm telling you, this is so atrocious that this overweighs anything that Trump damn been charged with. Every charge, this is atrocious. This is atrocious right now. This is a crime. And it is not a good look. And her running up in church does not help. Jesus cannot help this woman.
Well, yeah, I don't know nothing about that. But I did see that she made some kind of statement.
No, she went in church. She went in church. Yeah, she went in church.
I wish and I might have to do some digging, man. I don't know if Georgia Gang got like maybe a YouTube channel. Cause I want you to hear what he had to say verbatim. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I can't do it justice how he explained it. I can't do it justice.
That's fine. I'm just going by, like I said, MD. Like I said, I'm just going by Georgia statute. I just read the Georgia statute of those.
I understand the Georgia statute,
okay.
but
until Fani Willis steps down, it's not. The shit is tainted until they step down. They got to step down.
Hey, let me ask you a question.
Press conference saying that she got to step. Her and Wade got to step down from this shit.
Let me ask you a question. From an ethics standpoint, do you think the judge take that in consideration? Like I'm saying because I don't know. Do you think the judge take that in consideration when reviewing the case in itself?
Yeah, I think it plays a part. Yeah, I think the judge will look at it. Yeah, and I think in fact, I'm thinking he's probably, if he knows Fani Willis, and I can't prove it, I'm sure he's calling saying, "Look, Fani, you got to do something about that. This is not a good look. This is what's happening."
Well, he can't do that. He can't do that.
Okay, he can't do that. But they all know each other. They all know each other. Like I said, they know each other, and what he can and can't do does not play a part in what they say in private back rooms, and they know each other. Now you saying, yeah, in the public he can't do that, but I'm saying in the back, in the phone calls, he's saying, Fani, this is not a good look. You violated an ethics violation. So yeah, in public he can't do that, but in private I'm sure he can. There's a lot of things in private that they can do that they're doing as human beings, just like in private. Goddamn, Wade was
saying off the record, basically. What you're
saying? Off the record, yes, yeah, he can do that off the record. He can do that off the record.
Cool.
Right.
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
But on record, no, I agree with you 100%. Yeah, by the law, by the goddamn Constitution, by the letter of everything, yeah, he's not supposed to do that. But privately, oh yeah, he's saying, Fani, you might want to step down on this case because it's not looking good. This is not looking. You have violated ethic. You violated your oath, Fani. The best thing in order to save this case is for you and Wade to step down. Click.
Hey, like I said, hey, I agree with the whole sentiment. All I was parroting was what Phil Kent said on the Georgia Gang show. Like I said, I don't know.
On the Georgia Gang show, did they mention that this is bigger than anything they got Trump charged with?
They didn't say that because they don't.
They didn't say that. Well,
they don't do political opinion like that.
Okay, well, this is
all they doing is saying what was what. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, I tend to agree with what Phil Kent said in the aspect of the defense. I mean, the defense can play an aspect on what's going on relationship-wise between Fani. But at the end of the day, it's about following the monetary footprint. And
that's right.
If they can come out with something based off that, like I said, it's game, set, match.
Okay,
and like I said, just based on the opinion, yeah, you can use the ethics violation as a starting point. But he said, now this is his opinion. It ain't nothing factual. His opinion was that shouldn't even be a preface on what they trying to dig up. What they should be trying to dig up is following the money trail from Wade to Fulton County.
They got several investigators on it.
Well, that's cool. Like I said, that I tend to agree with what he said.
Not only
if it were me, that's what I would be focused. Okay, boom, we got Wade clapping the cheeks of Fani Willis.
Right.
That's all well and good. Let's follow the money trail in terms of how money was appropriated. If we can prove beyond a shadow of a doubt that money was misallocated from Wade's hands, from the Fulton County Treasury, it's a done deal.
Okay.
That will be my focus.
Fair enough. You know what? That's very reasonable and very rational. And let's do that because not only is Trump's team doing it, not only is this attorney, Mark Wade's attorney, doing it, but Wade's ex-wife is doing it too. So yeah,
right.
I'm glad that you brought that up. So yeah, you have several entities doing that. Several entities in that.
And like I said, I'm surprised. I'm intrigued on what's gonna come up after Fani Wade testifying in that divorce case. That shit gonna be, man, that's like a damn soap opera, man.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh, people are glued. They are interested. This is more anything that Trump, it pales in comparison. Oh yeah, they on this. And like I said, not only is Trump people going to be on this, his defendant's going to be on this, but Jocelyn Wade is going to be on this. Oh, they're on this like shit on doo-doo. Oh, Wade, Jocelyn Wade, the ex-wife. Oh, his attorney, the attorney's licking their lips right now. Ooh, this is sweet. You know them goddamn divorce attorneys are goddamn ruthless.
Oh yeah. They're gonna try to break off. That's for sure.
Right. So because you're talking about alimony, you're talking about child support. So if the monies don't line up already in this article, the monies aren't lining up, MD. Just in the articles, Wade only reported a portion of it. He did not report the whole shebang. It's already discrepancies with the numbers. So yes, let's trace the money because we're going to get a criminal charge out of that shit. Let me say that again. We're going to get a criminal charge out of that, and not only out of Wade, but Fani Willis. Would you agree to that, MD?
I mean, if they can prove it, yeah, of course. But at the end of the day, to me,
are you talking about potential RICO?
I don't know about RICO. No, I mean, I can see potential fraud. Yeah,
fraud.
Yeah, I can see fraud.
Oh, it's all kind of.
And I won't necessarily say anything about racketeering because you're gonna have to prove that money was attempted to be cleaned, and I don't.
Okay,
you know that's something all on its own. You know what I'm saying?
That is something on its own.
Like if you could prove that, man, shit,
right?
They gonna blow up not only this case, but the whole city of Atlanta. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
That's a big fucking deal. So I won't go that far.
I will,
but I will say if they can prove that money was being misused in Fulton County, yeah, fraud most definitely. Also,
there's more charges that can come. It's not only just fraud. It's more charges that can come out of this.
Well, like I said, we'll have to see what's found. I mean, I can't go off of nothing else. But
will this tie Fani Willis up in the courts?
What do you mean? I mean, of course, she a lawyer herself. She gonna make sure it get tied up. But I mean, that's how you play the game.
This is big. This is big. When you admit this is big.
It has the potential to be big. Yeah, of course. I mean, bro, I can't go off speculation. I just can't do that. Oh no, I can't go off speculation. All I can do is
I can do it. I can do it.
Well, that's cool. Me and you two different people. I'm saying that once evidence is proven, then yeah, it's huge. But until then, we just speculate.
Once evidence proven, it's over. What do you mean huge? It's over.
Until it comes out, is to me, it's just merely speculation. But in any event, when it comes to
how hard do you think it'll be for them to trace the money?
It shouldn't be that hard. I mean, hell, money is money. It always can be traced.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? And if it can't be, be traced,
what would you say? What helps trace the money is tracing the cruise trips, because there are cruise trips and all these different monies. I mean, they already got that. That's in the seal.
It's not that hard. If it's clean money, it's not that hard. You know what I'm saying?
Got you. Okay, got you. Okay, they're gonna be typing away. Trust me on it, boy. Yeah, they.
But again, I haven't seen nothing saying that it has been traced. So purely speculation.
To the lawyer,
it's fun to speculate, huh?
According to the lawyer, she's seen the unsealed, the seal part. She's seen all that, and so
according to what lawyer?
According to Wade. I'm sorry. What's the name of this lawyer? The one.
The ex-wife.
No. That's a whole the one Trump's co-defendant.
Oh, the co-defendant lawyer. So again, if that's the case, she need to be immediately filed as soon as possible.
She is. She's filing the unsealing, so she can show
again. Until it's unsealed, we speculation. It's all speculation.
Again,
let's wait.
She said she saw it. She just needs it. She's trying to unseal it right now, so you can see it. So you and me too, you can see it. Yes.
Let's pull the reins back. Let's just pull it back. Pull the reins back on the horse. I know you want to go full speed. Let's pull it back just a little bit.
Ain't no.
Once you can't do that. So again,
shit. It's America.
Once we are able to see the document through discovery, and the judge can confirm that, I'm with you all the way. But until then, it's fun to speculate. It's fun. That's all I'm saying.
I'm saying that the lawyer has already seen the proof. She's just trying to unseal it. And once it's unsealed, it's gonna trace the money, and we're gonna see if the money's legit or not.
Yes, we were. Well, yes, we are.
Because like I said, you gotta audit all those trips. You gotta audit, like I said, you gotta audit the damn. I mean, they were. She said there was numerous trips. Numerous
course,
trips.
Yeah.
Like numerous trips.
All right, so let me ask you another question then.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say, again, cheap clapping was involved.
Yep.
He was whining, dining, blah, 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 all this and that. Let's say hypothetically it come back and all of it was technically his money. How would that then deter any type of revision when it comes to the case?
Well, again, as far as the revision of the case, that means that he would have to step down because it's not a good look ethically.
Yeah, he would have to step down because of conflict of interest.
And Fani Willis was another participant. So her being a participant, let me ask you, how would that so you're saying, how does that separate Fani from the DA's office? So apparently she would have to step down. And I'm asking a question now.
I mean, the way he worded it, he didn't necessarily say Fani Willis had to step down. He would just have. He just said Fani Willis would have to. But Fani Willis is not prosecuting the case, Black Son. She just ain't. Wade is prosecuting the case.
But the DA, but the attorney's asking that it's unethical that the whole DA's office be disqualified.
See, he didn't say that. He literally said
that's what. Okay, but
it will be up to Fani Willis.
But that's what they're requesting.
A new special prosecutor to the case. She's not. All she was involved with is the indictment. That's it. After the indictment, she go back to the other head role, whatever she do in DA. She would have to appoint another special counsel in the prosecutor, according to what he said. Like I said. That's according to what he said.
So you didn't see the part where she went up in the church. You ain't seen that when she's at.
No, that's why I just asked you. I knew she made a statement. I just didn't. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it.
You haven't seen it yet. Okay. I'm glad. Okay, I'm glad I put you on.
That's why I was asking in the beginning. I don't know where she was at.
Okay, well, yeah, she was at the AME church yesterday. In the dawn of and she talked about how her dad knew Martin Luther King and this and that. And she said that as a Black woman, she should be allowed to stumble.
So basically what she said
AP News. That came from the AP News. Yeah. She should be allowed to stumble.
So she allowed to be on nigga shit every once in a while, huh?
Yes.
Oh,
that's according to AP News. According to AP News, yes.
Hey, man.
In fact, I sent you an article. Yeah, I sent you the article. According to AP News, I sent you the article. It's AP News.
Okay. Yeah, I heard it was an actual video, but
yeah, it's actual video too. Yeah, it is. It's actual video. Okay. Yeah, AP, not only that I sent you, not only has the article, but it has the actual video. And she should be, as a Black woman, they're racist. I should be allowed. Black women, she put all Black women in it. That Black women should be allowed to stumble. No, all Black women don't do that type of behavior, Fani Willis.
So she admitted to the
according to AP News
to the entanglement, basically.
Yes, according to AP News, yes.
I mean, hey,
would you consider AP News a viable source?
I'm not. See, why you got to bring up the source? All I'm saying is,
okay, I'm asking a question.
Man, all I'm saying is,
first of all, MD, I'm not questioning your goddamn ethics. I'm questioning hers. You ain't clapped cheeks with Fani Willis, have you?
Nah, yeah. Okay. Hell, okay. The money she making, hell, I wish I did. Right. Maybe I can slide in. You know what I'm saying? I'll be all right then.
Right. But hey,
hell, I want to go on a trip to Napa Valley. I want to go on a damn cruise. I like cruises.
Right. Back to back.
You know what I'm saying? Hell, I would have been special counsel.
Right.
On the prosecution. Shit, I could have did all that.
When would you have time to prosecute Trump when you're going on trips back to back though, man? Come on.
Well, I'm sure I can figure it out.
Oh, figure it out. Like you mean allocating funds?
Well, you got to pay me. I'm gonna make sure I do it right. You got to pay me first. Then I splurge with you.
Right. Back to back. Okay, and that's why racketeering. They mentioned racketeering, but I know you don't agree.
Well, again, racketeering would emphasize that money was being cleaned somewhere from misappropriated money. I'm not saying that's not true. What I'm saying is that you'll be hard pressed.
That's why you got the investigators tracing the money. And no,
and that's what we got. And once it comes out, we'll have a better understanding.
MD, these attorneys are 5 steps ahead of you, sir.
Of course, they involved in it. I'm not.
Right. So trust me.
And therein lies the issue. All I can say is until I can see it physically.
Okay, right.
Until I can see it, until it's released.
Unseals it. As soon as that judge unseals it, you will be able to see what that attorney saw.
Okay. If that again, all I can go is off of that.
Okay. I bet. Bet it. I will do a breaking news when that goes down, sir. When they unseal it, I will do a breaking show, and I will make sure I can't give you heads up if it's breaking news, but I will make sure that
it should be already breaking news for you, because I mean you talking as if though you already done seen it.
Well, the attorney's already seen it.
Okay.
She's just trying to unseal the shit. She's trying to, we got to unseal this. So her enthusiasm and excitement got me enthused and excited. You dig what I'm saying? Her enthusiasm and excitement got me. It's that energy thing. Remember, I told you.
So jumping to a conclusion is viable in this situation.
That's not no. She said she got proof.
No, I'm talking about you, not her. You.
Oh, I think she got something. I think she got something, because people don't seal shit for just the sake of sealing it. They seal shit because it could time to other shit that just doesn't look good. And this is why we make oaths as attorneys, as judges, so we don't end up in this type of fiasco, MD.
Hey, let me ask a question. Why every time I come up here, underrated darkness drop down?
Oh, you got a bad connection. You got a bad connection.
That's what it is. Okay.
I mean, you can go to his channel and jump on his panel anytime, because he'd be asking people to jump on his panel. So, hey, if it's anything you need to address to him.
Well, I just don't want him to feel like he, like he's like got big shoes to fill, so to speak, with the conversation. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know. I don't know.
We can walk you through it, underrated. It's all good.
Real walkie-talkie.
It ain't above your pay grade, man. We accept all
real walkie-talkie.
all manner of understanding.
A real walkie-talkie. Whoop up the bam. Real walkie-talkie. Shout out.
You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to feel intimidated, man, by the level of conversation. We walk everybody through this shit. But in any event, what else I had to say while I'm up here?
So
what you think about the backlash Vivek receiving, man, by MAGA, man? They done rejected Vivek, man, like a cold.
Yo, yeah, I'm glad you brought that up, MD. Oh my gosh, yeah,
he did all that brown nosing and ass kissing for nothing.
Yeah, Trump said it's a no-go. Yeah, well, shout out to Kelly, because Kelly was worried. Kelly, I hope that answers your question about Trump, because Trump made it known Vivek is not it. Damn, that even shocked me, MD. That shocked me. I was like, oh shit. When I read that, I was like, oh. And they're trying to say now that Vivek was secretly against Trump, and goddamn Chris Christie was for Trump.
I mean, Chris Christie ain't right.
Why did he endorse Nikki Haley then? He said Nikki Haley ain't got a chance in hell. This is from
he did say that, but he remember the timeline, Black Son.
Okay.
That it was a hot mic. He said Nikki Haley didn't have a chance in hell before he endorsed Nikki Haley. So what does that let you know?
No, he didn't endorse Nikki Haley. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he didn't.
Okay.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't.
Did you see Chris Christie's last town hall?
He didn't endorse anybody, sir. I've seen the last town hall.
Okay, all right.
He didn't endorse nobody.
Okay.
He said he's not gonna. He did a Rand Paul. I just don't want Trump to be endorsed. But no, he didn't endorse Nikki Haley nor Ron DeSantis nor Vivek, huh?
It's not what he said. But hey, I'm gonna let you. I'm gonna let you rock out.
Okay,
I'm gonna let you rock out.
Okay, tell us what he said.
He said in that last town hall where he announced that he was dropping out. He said that from the Republican Party aspect. Now this is I ain't saying verbatim. This is what he said.
Okay.
From the Republican Party's aspect, Nikki Haley is the best fit choice to become president of the United States based off her policy.
That's not.
Then he said, no, check out. Then he said that if it came down to Biden and Trump, he would vote down ballot. That's what he said. He said he wouldn't even vote for president. That's what he said. Right.
Okay. So where's the endorsement for Nikki Haley?
So you just didn't hear what I just said.
Uh-huh.
So you just threw out what I said on the first part.
You said he would vote down ballot.
What did I say? I said before that.
You said it come down to Trump and Biden. That means Nikki is out of the picture. He will vote down.
Correct. Before he said Nikki Haley is the best fit choice.
Uh-huh.
That's what he said. You can take
according to the people, the Republicans, the Rhino.
Well, I mean that's cool. I take it for what it's worth. I don't give a damn. Like to me, all what he said was bullshit. But based off what
you're trying to damn connect dots. I get what you're trying to do, but that's not an endorsement, sir.
Okay, all right. I concede to that. I concede.
He did a Rand Paul. You heard what Rand Paul said, right?
What did Rand Paul say?
Oh, you heard what Rand Paul said. Rand Paul says,
I don't care about Rand Paul. Rand Paul is he done backed away from his daddy original policy anyway, so I don't give a damn about Rand Paul.
Okay, that's fine. Rand Paul
a fucking traitor.
Okay, Rand Paul did 2 videos. He said, I'm going to make a big announcement. This is on day 1. I'm going to make a big announcement regarding the presidential race. And then he clipped the video out. Next day, he said, you know what? I like Trump. I like Ron DeSantis. Hell, I even like Viviswamy. But who I'm not going to endorse is goddamn Nikki Haley. And he left it at that.
Well, that sounds about right. Because again, Nikki Haley is the corporate candidate. I get that.
Right.
Or it's perceived to be the corporate candidate. To me, all of them corporate candidates.
Well, according
but in the eyes of the public, Nikki Haley is the corporate candidate. So yeah.
In the eyes of yeah, I got you saying the corporate candidate. Okay, I got you. I'm sorry. I jumped the gun. You're right.
Yeah, you gotta stop doing that, Black Son.
And that's why she gonna get smoked tonight. I'm predicting she's gonna be in 3rd. Ron DeSantis is gonna smoke her.
So you said, oh wow, that's a bold prediction.
Yeah.
So you saying DeSantis is gonna get more caucus votes than Nikki Haley tonight?
Yes, sir.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm calling it.
Okay.
Yeah. Ron DeSantis is gonna smoke Nikki Haley tonight.
Now, when you say smoke Nikki Haley, what does smoke mean? How many points?
Well, just second place. They're expecting Nikki to goddamn surpass Ron DeSantis. I'm saying no, Ron DeSantis is gonna goddamn smoke.
I mean, according to the polls, quote unquote, she already ahead of Ron DeSantis.
Exactly. That's why I said smoke. Yeah, she's gonna get smoked by Ron DeSantis. That's what I mean by smoke. They're expecting Nikki.
Okay. See, you're being a hypocrite, Black Son. You're being a hypocrite.
No, I'm not being, because they have proven that they have goddamn fucked around with her goddamn numbers. Now Trump, he's just so overwhelmingly supporter. He's go beyond the goddamn margin of error. However, they're trying to bolster Nikki to get her goddamn numbers up to see, just trying to show.
So hold on, wait a minute. You saying that they done finagled the poll numbers to make it look like wow?
Right, but you said you don't care about polls.
That's what I'm saying. So that's why I said you did a hypocrite, Black Son. Because now all of a sudden, polls don't mean shit when it comes to Nikki Haley. They fingering the numbers and making it look like Nikki Haley is up.
But they proved it. They already proved it.
Oh man!
They're saying, look, you got to understand. Not only do I go by the poll numbers, but I go by the the little campaigning. He has larger numbers campaigning. He has larger room. He fills up more rooms than Nikki Haley.
Come on, man.
I look at that.
I seen something yesterday in a newsreel. They were saying that Ron DeSantis, he's campaigned in Iowa more than Trump and Trump, Vivek, and Nikki Haley combined.
Not more than Vivek. No, not more than Vivek. Vivek got
well, that's what they said. They said combined all 3 candidates.
Right. Well,
all three K, he done campaigned more in Iowa than them combined. That's what they said.
Okay, well, apply that he's going to smoke Nikki Haley. That's all I'm saying. Ron DeSantis is going to smoke Nikki Haley. That's what I'm saying.
Hey, we'll see tonight, man.
We'll see tonight.
Is you doing the special tonight?
Yes, I am. I'm glad you mentioned it. Yes, I am.
So you doing the arena live in the Iowa caucuses, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm doing that live tonight. In fact, I'm glad you reminded me because I almost forgot. Yes, sir.
Hey, Black Son said, Iowans brave the cold.
Yes.
And come out to the arena, live special coverage.
That's right.
Of the Iowa caucus.
That's right.
Hey, I'll be in the building, man. I ain't got shit to do. I'll be in the building.
Okay.
I believe. So what time? I think it's 4:30 when they start. I think it's 4:30. I think I could be wrong.
Oh, I thought it was straight at 9. Okay, I'm glad you told me that. Damn.
No, I think it start. I think it started at 4:30 because remember Trump said yesterday don't be there no later than 6:30. But then you got to keep in mind the Central Time. You know what I'm saying?
Right, but when they gonna start airing stuff though? What I'm saying, because I don't want it to be too long.
They gonna be they airing shit right now. But but the voting hasn't started. I think the voting started at 4:30 Central Time. I think.
Okay.
So that would be 5:30 our time.
So what I'm saying is oh shit, lost MD. Okay, MD. Okay, you back. Oh shit. Okay, you back, MD. Sorry about that. I don't know what happened.
No, you good.
Yeah. No, what I'm saying, what time should I start? Because I was going to start streaming at 9.
You ain't got to start at 4:30. I mean,
yeah.
But I think I don't know when like the major news sites gonna start giving numbers. I don't know. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Well, according to RSBN, they're gonna start streaming at 9.
Well, all right. I mean, is RSBN gonna have a tally though?
Oh, I don't. You know what? I mean, normally they do though, don't they? Or
RSBN gonna be up there conservative babbling.
I know. But what I'm saying,
yeah,
they are. But they will show the damn numbers. I'm sure they'll show.
Yeah, they might. Yeah.
All right. Well, I just said 9 p.m. man, just to be, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't, like you said, I want to avoid all the babble. I want to avoid all the commercials. I just want to get straight to the nitty gritty. So, yeah. To answer your question, I'm gonna start it at 9 p.m. tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna be streaming at 9. So yeah, and my prediction is that it's gonna be Trump, DeSantis, Haley. You know what? Damn. Yeah, Haley.
I know you about. I was about to say. I know you're not finna put Vivek in front or Haley.
No. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. No. I don't. Now that Trump drew Vivek under the bus, I don't. Ooh, that's ooh. Yeah, that was a kick in the stomach, bro. You know, that was a kick in the damn balls. That was a kick in the dick. That was a kick in the rectum.
It was that bad, huh?
It was that bad, bro. It was that bad. Hey, but people like Kelly and all your goddamn Trump supporters, because they were worried. They were worried. So
hey, remember I told Kelly, hey, Vivek probably gonna end up being your VP, so you ain't gonna have to vote for him.
She didn't like
because he already gonna be there.
She didn't like that shit.
Just look at the level of brown nosing he's been doing the last month.
I got
and that's all I constituted for brown nosing and grifting.
Right. And I was kind of on the same page too, MD. I was willing to accept him Vivek as VP. I was willing, but the Trump supporters, they weren't having that shit, bro. But I was even willing. I was like, okay, shit, okay. If Trump, I said in its own record, if Trump picks Vivek as his VP, I won't be mad. Shit, Kelly and them, they weren't trying to hear that shit. Goddamn John, they weren't trying to hear that shit. They were like, hell no. Hell no. They were like dead set against that shit. So I was like, okay, well,
Oh, and another thing, and like I said, we can expound upon it later on. Black Son, you got egg on your face right now, man.
What's going on? What's going
on? Why is Marjorie Taylor Greene said she may even look into grounds of removal for Mike Johnson based on the new appropriation?
Oh, yeah, bro.
You got egg on your face, Black Son.
Well, why? No. He was
because that's MAGA Mike Johnson, baby.
I mean, but hey, the Republicans
they done got in the room and he done cowered in fear of Chuck Schumer. Chuck Schumer done bitched him out.
My prediction,
and he bent the knee to the Ukraine funding. What happened?
Okay, this is my prediction, and I never shared this with anybody. I'm sharing it now. When Trump gets in office, he's going to be facing a goddamn Democratic Congress. I hate to say that, bro.
I agree with that.
I hate to say that, but yeah,
I 100% agree with that.
I knew that. So this with the whole thing, I knew this shit was going to unravel. I knew it was going to unravel, but you know, it was good while it lasted. But yeah, as far as egg on the face,
hold on, wait a minute, Black Son. When I predicted all of this stuff when they nominated Mike Johnson,
I didn't.
Y'all laughed at me.
I laughed, but I didn't disagree. Hey, you know when people laugh, sometimes they laugh out of agreement and disagreement. Would you agree?
Oh man. Listen, man. At the end of the day,
I didn't disagree.
Y'all said I was bullshit.
No,
I said that and told y'all what's gonna change with Mike Johnson. Not a damn thing. I said that.
You did.
It's on record. It's on record.
You did, right? You did.
And now the chickens have come home to roost, as my ancestor Malcolm X once said.
Again, MD, I did not disagree.
And now they want to boot his ass up out of there.
I laugh knowing that eventually when Trump get in office, he's going to be facing a Democratic Congress. That's why I laugh. But I didn't disagree with you. I laughed, though. You might have took that as a disagreement, but I didn't disagree. I just laughed. You're right. I did laugh. I laughed at it, but hey.
Okay, I'll take your word for it, Black.
I'm admitting it now. I'm laughing because, yeah, you're right.
I'll take your word.
Okay. Well, again, I predict Trump. I predict Trump gonna goddamn sweep all the way into Super Tuesday. I predict that, but yeah, so that's a given. But if you just want to talk about second place, what?
No, I was gonna say so real quick. So again, I agree with what you just said with Trump being in with a majority Democratic Congress. I agree with that.
Right.
But let me ask you, wouldn't that make Trump a lame duck president then?
Not on day one.
Oh wow. So everything
drill, baby, drill
that you dream of in terms of the policies of Trump can be handled on day one. That's what you're telling me.
Yes, sir. Yeah, dictator day one.
Dictator. Wow, man. Stop it, man. Stop it.
Whatever happened on day two, hey, as long as he dictator on day one, I'm good.
Wow.
Dictator on day one, man. Dictator on day one. AMD.
Black son. Yeah.
I'll do it for you.
Ruled.
How the fuck you gonna overrule the Constitution?
Defense. Keep the defendant silent.
I'll do it for you since you can't.
That's what I'm gonna ask.
No.
That's exactly what I'm gonna ask.
Hey.
I'll be damned. Wow.
Just one day, baby. Damn. Just one day. Hell, Rome did it.
Damn. Hey, I ain't got no argument for that, man. I'm in astonishment. I ain't got no argument for it.
Ruled.
How the fuck you gonna overrule the Constitution?
Defense. Keep the defendant silent.
Damn. And that's what Trump gonna say. Keep the people silent.
Right.
Dictator, they won.
Just for one day, baby. Just one day. That's why I ain't worried about no goddamn Congress.
Wow.
Once he starts drilling, that's it. That's why. Did you see those people heckling Trump at the rally? They were talking about Trump is a violator of environmental something. I said, man, shut the fuck up. Y'all know he about to start drilling. Y'all know that's the only thing they got on Trump. Oh, Trump is an environmental destructionist. That's all they got on Trump.
But again, that's nonsensical because according to numbers from a private, Biden has allowed more private drilling than any president ever in the existence of America. So why is that same sentiment not being held for Biden?
Good question. Good question. Well, they're holding Biden to the whole Israel Gaza situation. That's what they heckled him
Yeah,
about.
they are.
Yeah, you
They
got
are.
no, you got a good point. Yeah, you got a good point there, MD. Yeah, that's a very good point. That's a very good point. Why those same people weren't protesting Biden? Very good point. Very good point. That's a very good point.
Now I think the difference between what Biden is doing and what Trump is doing is private versus corporate. Me personally, I would rather have private drilling. So I don't have no issue with what Biden is doing, allowing private. I don't want nobody to be subsidized for it because that's some bullshit.
I know you're against that, right? I know you're against that.
But I would rather see private drilling rather than corporate drilling. So in that aspect, I tend to agree with that one policy of Biden. But the hypocrisy is people are tying it to party standards, and that's some bullshit. You know what I'm saying?
Let me ask you a question, MD. Trump gets in office. He has a Democratic Congress. Will they stop him when he makes orders to goddamn close the border and damn deport? Because they divided on that shit too now.
Well, again, that's a slippery slope.
Why?
Because
why?
Well, the reason is, well, here's the thing again, and we can talk about this whole thing with Greg Abbott doing too. Like what Greg, let me not get it twisted.
Okay.
Despite whether I agree with it or not, what Greg Abbott is doing right now is illegal. It just is because.
Well, not only Greg Abbott, but what about the guy dude in New York? He's a Democratic mayor. So I get what you're saying about Greg Abbott.
I'm talking about the border. I'm talking about strictly the border.
I got you. Right.
Now, in terms of deportation, again, we have to look at, and I'm the law guy. I'm the robot, so I gotta equate it to this. When you're dealing with illegal immigration versus asylum seekers, it's a slippery slope.
I agree.
Because technically, even though you can detain asylum migrants,
right?
You can't. It's a process. You just can't deny them entry. It don't work like that under international law.
Yeah, but he wrote a state law saying if you cross the border, you're violating a state law, meaning they can come arrest you.
Again.
That place. So I get what you're saying about the border, but once you cross into the state, takes the state line, they're saying our state law is saying we can arrest you.
Well, again, if you cross the border without going through the process of seeking asylum, you then are illegal immigrant. So yeah, you can be deported.
Okay.
But if you go through the process, whether you agree with it or not, if you go through the process with the U.S. Border Patrol in terms of the restraint of asylum, and then Greg Abbott send those same people to Chicago, those people technically are not illegal immigrants. Therefore, you just can't up and deport them. You'll be violating international law if you do that. Remember, not Biden. Trump had Title 42.
Right.
Title 42 was for that very reason. It was a loophole for that very reason. The basis of Title 42 was what? COVID. If you're going to use something like Title 42 again, you're going to have to justify the reason behind Title 42. You just can't up and say, well, if you report to the border, we just going to turn you around based off what? International law say you got to either detain them or allow them asylum. And these people that's up in Chicago, New York, Massachusetts, these people have reported and were allowed restraint within the asylum system of America. So you just can't up and deport them people. You're gonna have to figure out. That's what Trump gonna have to use his brain.
I didn't say deport.
Trump gonna have to.
Oh, you going? Right. I'll go. I got you. Oh, go ahead. I got what you're saying. Never mind. Go ahead.
Yeah. What I'm saying is Trump gonna have to use his brain and say, what can I use that's legally justifiable to get these people the fuck up out of here?
Right.
He did it the first time with Title 42.
Right.
And I agreed with Title 42, but Title 42 wasn't gonna stay permanent because it was based on COVID.
Yeah. Right.
See what I'm saying? It was never gonna stay permanent.
Right. I agree.
If you're gonna keep Title 42 in place, then you would have to say it would still have to be a lockdown.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right. Exactly. Right.
Trump and he again from if you just order and with you you now yes.
Right.
So from that, I agree with you. But the situation that's too complex.
I see. Okay. Okay. Well, what's your prediction tonight on the Iowa caucus? Uh-oh. Look like we
Well,
lost
I
MD.
predict on the first. I think I'm in the weeds.
Huh? Oh, shit, you breaking up, MD. You breaking up because I want to say something I want to tell you. So I'm glad. Yeah, it's breaking. Oh, you must be driving. Damn. MD? MD? Uh-oh. Oh, shit, we lost MD. Okay, y'all. What I was gonna do is do a friendly wager based on Nikki.
Mic check. Can you hear me now?
Yeah. Okay, I hear you. Yeah. Okay, hear you now. Yeah.
All right, yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I guess I was in a little bad spot.
Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to get your prediction on the Iowa, and if it's different from mine, I was gonna put up a little wager.
Well, I believe it's going to be Trump is going to win.
Right. Me
followed up by Nikki Haley and DeSantis.
Ooh, okay. So you want to make a wager on Nikki and on DeSantis?
So what you want to do? All right. So we'll swap it then. Over under. You got DeSantis. I got Nikki Haley. I'll put a dub on it. Friendly $20 wager.
Okay.
All right. Cool. All right.
Cool. All right.
So you got DeSantis in second. I got Nikki Haley.
Yep. Y'all got it here, man. Black Sun got DeSantis. We're doing a dub. Nikki Haley, MD. Damn. So the thing is, as long as DeSantis beats Nikki, I win. As long as Nikki beats DeSantis, you win. So it don't even matter who's second, because hell, Vivek Swami could get second. So we just whoever is Nikki beating goddamn DeSantis, and that's the wager. So yeah,
that's the wager. That's the wager.
Okay. Right.
I'm saying Nikki Haley will be ahead of Ron DeSantis.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. Whether it be second, third, it don't matter.
Right. It don't matter. Right. It don't matter.
All right.
All right. Cool. Where that we go? Shit. Okay. Damn. That's what's up.
It's gonna be a tough one, like I said, because Ron DeSantis been putting in work in Iowa. I ain't gonna say he haven't. He been damn sure been putting in work.
And so is Nikki. You know, they both been putting in work. So, you know, yay. Because you know, some polls had them tied neck and neck. I know you don't do polls, but some had Nikki winning. Some were tied neck and neck. It was, I don't know, man. I think, Ron DeSantis had been putting in work. Nikki canceled 2 events. So, I don't know.
Yeah, I saw that this morning.
Yeah, she canceled 2 events, but
Nikki Haley said, "Fuck that! It's too damn cold. Fuck that."
That could cost her. That could cost you, brother. It's gonna be close. she might cost you $20. MD.
Yeah, she said, "Fuck that."
Hey, those 2 campaigns, that could cost her, bro. Because like I said, I read they were neck and neck. But you know, I mean, I know you had some different polls had her up ahead. But.
Yeah. The latest poll I saw, it had her up, like 3-4 points ahead of DeSantis in Iowa.
Oh damn! Oh shit!
That's the latest one that I saw.
Oh shit! Which poll was that? Because shit! Hold on, Iowa polls. Holy shit! Hold on, I'm looking it up now, man. Kicks off. Oh shit! You might have won this one. Wait a minute. Final poll. Overtaking. Oh, shit. DeSantis. Oh, shit. Damn. Oh, damn, MD. All right. Send me your cash app. Damn.
Hold on. Wait a minute. What's the numbers you got?
Yeah, they said, they got Haley overtaken, but this is NBC. Damn, hold on. Shit. Hold on. Let me check 530 poll. Damn, because it's 538. Come on now, don't let me down. Oh, damn. All right, man, send me your cash app. God damn.
Damn, you can see already. They ain't even start counting.
Well, okay, so one they said they got them tied, but another one they saying, yeah, they got her 21-15. Oh shit.
Oh damn. That's 6 points.
Yeah, that's 6 points, bro. Oh, damn. Oh, this can't be right. They got her 21-13. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. This is not good, bro. Okay, another one.
Well, we'll wait and see what happens. We'll wait and see what happens.
Yeah, 14-14. Another one, they got 18-18. Okay, so they got them tied. But two of them got, her way ahead. Oh, shit. Let's see. 1, 2. Damn.
And you know they already saying that they predicting New Hampshire just for Nikki Haley to win outright over Trump.
Oh, really?
You know what I'm saying? So, hey.
Sure. Yeah, but they're saying those are, Oh, Hampshire. Outright over Trump? Really? Like, how far ahead? Shit, I got to see this shit.
Hampshire, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They saying New Hampshire rock with Nikki Haley.
Hold on. New Hampshire polls. I got to see this.
I was watching a CBS video.
All right. You want to do a bet on that one too?
Nah. I'm
you said fuck that. Yeah, I heard that. Yeah. Okay. yeah. You said fuck that shit.
Shout out to Angel Snub Up 7.
Damn, I could have won my money back. Oh, Angel Snub Up 7, man. Hey, Angel, man. Long time no see. Black Sun MD, Soul Brother Deacon. Yeah, man. Shout out to right out of these temples on earth, man. Y'all go subscribe to Angel's Left Up channel, man. Shout out to Angel. Yeah, man. MD, you there? Uh-oh, I think we lost him again.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So we just betting on DeSantis and Haley. Okay. We didn't want to do the double nothing. New Hampshire.
Nah, I'm straight, yeah.
Yeah, he said, fuck that.
I like Kenny Rogers said, man, you got to know when to hold them, when to fold them. Goddamn.
Right. You want to make his 20 and go. If he said, I would take my money and go. Fuck that shit. Yeah, he want to go on a for sure win.
Fuck that.
Yeah, fuck that shit. I got you, man. Damn. Yeah, it looked like she about to smoke DeSantis. Damn. Yeah, she about to smoke DeSantis. According to, Emerson College, Haley. Damn, they got it. DeSantis down to 7 points. What the hell, man? DeSantis been doing?
Quarter miles. Take exit 10B on the right to US 74 West.
Yo, they got
Florida babbling. That's what he's been doing.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that shit hurting him, bro. I'm looking at the 538 website now. Yeah, man, DeSantis. What the fuck is he doing?
Yeah.
Oh, he tripping.
But like I said, we'll see what happened tonight. We'll see what the final numbers are.
Yeah, this is crazy, man.
We'll see what the final numbers. But yeah, man, I found the end. We're gonna have to talk more about that Vivek shit, man. Because like I said, for a minute, I was thinking for sure that Trump was gonna take Vivek. Remember Trump last week? He had that speech, huh?
A lot of people did. A lot of people were worried about that.
Yeah,
shit. A lot of
remember Trump had that speech when somebody asked him about his VP.
Yeah,
and he named everybody but Vivek. He talked shit about everybody but Vivek.
Right.
I was like, damn, that's your indicator right there. So I thought for sure he was gonna take Vivek.
That's why I made that concession speech that I did last week. I was like, look, if Trump picks him, I'm not mad. Yeah, because in fact, based on that, when you're talking about, I was like, yo, I won't be mad if he picks Vivek. You know, but man, people they were mad about that shit. They were damn near saying they ain't gonna vote for Trump if that. I was like, I said okay. I said okay. Trump got to make a decision, serious decision, because yeah, man.
Yeah. He got Candace Owens to endorse him last week. All type of shit. So
Right.
I thought it was shit. A done deal. That's what I thought.
Oh, Candace Owens endorsed Vivek?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good for her. Okay. That's a good endorsement, but yeah.
He was all on Twitter talking about the Brown conservative coalition and had Candace Owens on his little tour bus and shit.
Oh wow. Okay.
So yeah, that's what I was like, okay, yeah, he definitely Trump VP now. That's what I thought.
Damn.
3 miles. Take the exit.
Oh
So
wow.
much for that, I guess.
Yep. Damn. Shit, man. Shit. Okay, man. Well, shit. Tonight, yeah. Tune in tonight, man. I'm gonna start streaming at 9 p.m. tonight Eastern. The Iowa caucus. Me and MD got a wager. Who's gonna take second? Or no, who's gonna be who? It ain't about even second. Will DeSantis take out Nikki? That's all we betting on. Will DeSantis take out Nikki? It don't even matter if for all we know, damn Vivek could get second place. Yeah, we don't know, but you know. But so we gonna just bet who does Ron defeat Nikki, and it doesn't look like that's happening. So I guess I'm gonna have to goddamn get MD's PayPal. Damn, I should.
Yeah, like I said, we'll see what the final numbers are, and you know, like I said, hey, a whole lot of shit could change in 8 hours. You know what I'm saying?
Really? You think so?
Yeah.
Nikki don't put her
And also take this in consideration again. You got to take the weather in consideration. It's fucked up in Iowa, right? It's real fucked up.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, man. Yeah.
You got to take that in consideration. Some people might just say fuck it.
Right, because she
you know
said fuck them. Right, because she said fuck the weather. They might take her example. Like, oh, okay, you cancel out on us. Cancel out on you. Because she sure did. She said, fuck that. So
Trump said, but Trump said show up. He said, hell, it don't matter if you after you vote, then you pass away, you die.
Right.
He said, show up.
Right. He said, if you on your power leg, show up. I was like, damn. Trump ain't playing.
I said, damn.
Yeah, I said damn too, man. Yeah, that
Before you pass away, you do your final duty as an American citizen.
Yeah, Trump ain't playing, bro. Trump ain't playing. God damn. Yeah, Trump ain't playing. Bro. He said, goddamn, you on your dying, your last breath, goddamn, make sure you Oh my God. The dictator Trump ain't playing. Shit. Damn.
Well,
damn. Okay.
Like I said, tune in tonight, man. Special coverage.
Yes, sir. Special coverage tonight, man.
Iowa caucus.
That's right. Live. Simulcast for RSBN, man. Simulcast. We're going to goddamn play this thing till the wheels fall off, till we get a final tally. So I'm predicting, hopefully by 11 we have something. Because that'll be 7, 8, 9. That's already a 3-hour stream. So yeah, man. Y'all tune in tonight.
The presidential race starts now.
Yeah. Yep. Damn. It's snowing right now, ain't it?
Yes, yeah. It's fuck, man. They said it's below. It's like below 10 and snowing, icy conditions. It's fucked up.
Damn.
There's a snowstorm there.
Right. Trump said, "Fuck that." Trump said, "Fuck that." Y'all go damn vote. You don't give a fuck. Damn. Iowa Hawkeyes. All right, man. We gonna close it out, MD, man. Been on for 2 hours, man. So shout out to MD. Shout out to Angels Left to 7. Shout out to Twin.
Turn right
Shout
at
out
the
to
stop
Deacon.
sign.
Shout out to
Take the
Nolan.
first right.
Shout out to
All right, peace, y'all. Peace, y'all. Like I said, I'll see y'all tonight.
All right. Shout out to Jimmy. Shout out to Underrated Darkness. Shout out to Josh and his O. And shout out to Deacon, of course, Twin. And with that being said, man, we out, y'all. Don't forget tonight at 9. Tonight at 9. I got it already posted. Don't be late. Y'all bring your popcorn, bring your snacks, bring your dang drinks, and we are going to goddamn live stream tonight. With that being said, man, we out, y'all. Peace.